Hello everyone, this is Austin from Raw Bliss. I'm on my way right now to MJC Night Market. Never been to this market, so I'm not really sure what to expect. Very exciting. There might be Dubai. It's the talk of the town. Like a week ago, the Fruitarians are obsessed with it. It's so fatty, it's so delicious, it's salty, it's buttery, it's herbal, it's amazing. I'm gonna see if I can find some. All right, here we are. It's actually 12 p.m. right now. It's not even the night market yet, but they still have loads of durian. Hello.
Hello.
Look at all this down here. Woo, so exciting. Oh wow, you can get fresh sugarcane juice here. Usually they're pre-bottled. Oh, that's lovely. Coconuts. Let's see what we got here. Oh, nice coconuts. 4 ringgit each for pandan. And some breadfruit. Got a massive pink coconut here. Really sweet. But a lot of fish at this market. Beautiful bananas, papaya, star fruit, mandarins, melon. Some big old oranges. Mangosteen, 10 ringgit. Doesn't look too good. Okay, this is a special moment. The first time I've had fresh pressed sugarcane juice since India. Let's try it out. Oh, wow. Not too sweet, kind of mild. Oh, it's so hydrating. Malaysia's got really good sugarcane too. It's a shame they mostly add sugar and water to it. Delicious. Rambutan. Wow. Found some beautiful yellow rambutans. One bunch, 3 ringgit, 75 cents. But I got 2 for 5. Star fruit here. Organic lettuce, supposedly. Got some of that. This romaine. Here we go. We hit the jackpot here. 8 ringgit. Look at those. Pretty big sized durian. 5 for the small one. 10 over there for some big ones. Got mangosteen. Ooh, Rollinia. Not really ripe yet though. I love this market. Alright, so these are the 2 rambutans I got. I love this variety. And then I got this durian for $1.25 because it has a little squirrel hole in it. And I've found that the ones that the squirrels go after are like the best ever. So I'm gonna crack that open. I'm gonna munch on these first. Getting attacked by mosquitoes, as always. These are so juicy, man. Oh, these are fresh. This market's amazing. It's so massive. Didn't find any to buy yet though. But there's actually another market that opens at 5 p.m. Which I'm not going to be here because I have work at the hostel. And yeah. definitely come down here. There's a park not too far away. Some really nice forestry. Really, really beautiful. I'm definitely gonna come back here. Tomorrow's my day off, so I can get here a little later. And yeah, definitely recommend if you're in the area. Not a bad looking durian at all. Especially for 5 ringgit. Got a lot of flesh there. I relocated to a spot without mosquitoes. Ooh yeah, it's got a nice texture to it. Holy crap, man. Those squirrels, man, they're so smart. So sweet. White chocolate, custard. Wow. I'm gonna go back and get some more of those rambutans too. Those were amazing. Yeah, finally found Dubai. Yeah. My favorite fruit. Thank you, sir. Okay. This is definitely my favorite market. Look, there's Jackie Boone. It's my guy. This market's incredible. I got Dubai, Champadak. Wow.
Go, show.
Hey, Mr. Boone. Got sugarcane, coconuts. Yeah, this is a place. Got all this for $4. Ooh, I'm feasting today. It's gonna be good. It's a good day. Oh, these are some of my favorite Champadaks, like the lemony cake flavor. Oh wow. Wow, it's so sweet. It's almost like a jackfruit. That's weird. Wow. These are quality, man. All right, let's try out this durian. Oh my God. Oh, it's so bitter. Wow, I love it. It's like you just took a shot of alcohol or something. With like a vanilla custard. Wow. This is incredible. So thick. Okay, so here I have all my Dubai. Oh yeah. 1.4 kilos. Oh my God. The fattiest fruit in the world. I'm about to get it in. So what you do is you fill it up mostly with, you know, room temperature water, and then you get your water hot. Add just a little bit, and then you want it to be like the temperature of a bath, like a nice warm bath. I'm gonna put a little bit more, and then you just wait about 15 minutes, 20, and they're ready to go. Look at this beautiful fresh romaine I got. Alright, so here's what we're left with. Got our salad here. I got a little calamansi juice. I like to dip them in, and here it is. So. Oh, so creamy, like mashed potatoes and butter and a little salty. This one tastes heavily of thyme, and all the Dubai trees taste different. So even one tree to the next is going to taste different. That's the thing about these jungle fruits. Super complex flavors. That's what the seed looks like. Some of them will have a round seed, some will have a small seed, some will have a big seed. Some will be white flesh, some will be yellow flesh. It's such a crazy fruit. Only found in Borneo. Huge delicacy, only 2 months out of the year. The local people here go crazy for it. In fact, if you go to a town called Cebu, where the Dubai is famous, you'll just see like 50 different vendors selling it, and they're all competing over each other, like yelling, trying to get people to buy. Like, they go, Dubai, 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 Dubai. And then, like, they're trying to get people to come. They're like, oh, buy my Dubai, no, buy my Dubai. But it's actually best to buy from multiple vendors, I've found, because then you get a different array of flavors from different trees. And it's really cool. You got like the fat ones with a lot of meat but not much flavor. And then you got like small ones that are like packed with flavor. Some even taste like cannabis, believe it or not, if you've ever eaten cannabis. Just like super amazing, fatty flavor. My favorite savory fruit in the world, and definitely in my top 3 favorite fruits ever. It's truly a treat. And yeah, if you can, get to Borneo. It's the only place you're gonna try it. That's probably gonna be it for this video, because yeah, I'm about to feast on Dubai. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace and love.